guys, here I see here playing Minecraft PA and I'm being joined by Viceful.
Yeah, hi.
And Outbonders.
What's wrong, guys?
So let's play Minecraft PA. Yeah. Wait.
I just saw a
Wait
tall,
1 second.
I just saw a tall sugar cane.
Wait. Don't back me. Flash! So what we did is we robbed this village. Yeah. We need some. We need stones. We need. I'm lagging.
You.
I need wood. Who's getting cobblestone?
No one.
I'm freaking lagging, bro.
Me too.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Please don't lag. I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
I'm putting down the crafting table.
I'm lagging.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm lagging. I'm lagging so bad. Let me try this. Can I do this? Come on, Horsey. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Never mind. Where is cobblestone? Oh, we can build 3 houses.
Yeah, this is a jungle biome.
I think that's a good idea, actually.
I'm up here. Build bases here. Please. Please.
Wait. I'm collecting wood, alright?
Yes.
Just keep still.
It's right over there.
Where?
Over here. Just get up over here. Wait.
We'll see your name tag.
Just get up in the vines, okay?
Yep.
Outbonders, what are you doing? I'm getting wood. I would.
Collecting wood, okay?
Nope, it's not collecting wood. I'm lagging.
I'm collecting cobblestone.
I'm punching the tree with mushroom.
I will collect my cobblestone too. Because I will get those sandstones.
I'm lagging.
Where are you guys?
I'm lagging. I'm sorry guys. It's too laggy. Please.
Don't hit us.
Please. Okay. Wood. Okay. I will go down soon. Go up, down.
I just found coal, guys.
Get some.
Who have crafting table?
Me.
I just put down the
You want?
crafting table.
This one.
Just put it down.
This one.
Just put it down.
There.
Where?
There.
Where?
There. You see it?
Yes. And I'll collect cobblestone. Collecting cobblestone.
Did you even see how long I did this?
Yes. It's too dark.
I have one torch.
No. Where is the torches? Do you have the torches at Bunders?
Nope.
Who have the torches from the village?
I get one. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I have it. I only have 5.
I'm collecting the sandstones.
I only have 5.
Come on, don't lag.
I only have 5, guys. I found an apple. My apple. Give me my apple.
Collect it.
Thank you for the apple, bro.
You're so rude.
I'm gonna go up. Cannot even go up. Come on. Give me this.
Guys.
Too good.
Guys. I made ourselves some stone swords.
I have
Give me.
stone sword.
Give me.
You already have a stone sword?
Yes.
I just made a stone sword for you.
I don't care. It's too old.
I just made it.
Let's
I
go
don't
and
care.
make our house. Oh!
Wait, I'm collecting sandstone for our house, okay? Don't be right in a rush. Actually, don't be on a rush. It's getting nighttime.
I'm stuck! Help me!
I cannot help you.
Here, I help you.
Eh,
Collapse.
eh. Okay,
Yeah, it's collapsed.
yeah. Come
Here,
on,
Uh,
come on,
by school.
come on.
Why?
I have a
Collect
pickaxe
it.
for you.
Let's make our tree house.
Wait, I'm collecting something.
Here,
Okay, let's
I
go.
have an axe
Let's
for
go
you.
up. Let's go up. Let's go up.
Where?
Here, 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 here.
Wait
Here.
for me.
I'm lagging. Over here.
Where?
Over here. Come on. Come on. Nice.
Guys, where are you?
We're up here, okay?
Let's make our house in here.
How did you guys get up there?
There's vines
Okay.
Okay, I can see them.
in here.
I can see you guys. I can see the light.
I'm building the base.
Build the base.
I'm
I'll
building.
put down the torches.
Come on. Come on. Build it. I'm too laggy. I'm sorry,
I
guys.
only have 2 torches left.
I'm sorry, guys, for the lag.
I almost punched you.
Don't watch me.
I almost punched you.
I said, don't watch me. Wait, what are you doing? Wait. Guys, wait.
Why?
Wait.
Why?
Okay, go.
Do you guys have meat?
Nope.
I have 2. Get some. Outbounders.
Where I have bread. I just made bread. We forgot the crafting table.
Get it. There's a zombie.
Where? Wait. I'm gonna build.
I'm the protector. I'm the protector. I have a sword.
We all have a sword, okay? Get in, guys. Get in.
Wee-hoo.
There's a.
Why is there? Why? Why?
Oh,
I'm building base, okay?
this is outside, okay?
I don't care. Building base.
Where's the crafting table?
Right.
It's down below. I'm gonna make a 2. I
Get
have
it.
2 crafting table.
Put it.
It's too laggy. I mean, too.
You have more sandstones, guys.
No. Let's just get sandstone on the village. Horsey, don't die, please.
I'm collecting. I'm doing.
What?
There. Hey,
Ouch.
sorry.
Ouch!
Sorry, I said. I have bread.
Wait.
4 bread. I have 2 wool. Get it, Killer Eyes.
Wait,
This
what
is-
will I do for? What can I
I
do?
throw it.
It's outlander.
I have 1 more. Wait, I can make a bed.
Wait. I'm gonna.
I can make a bed, guys.
Make...
I'll make a bed. I'll go to sleep now.
Ouch!
Don't sleep.
Mm.
You're floating in the air while you sleep.
There is your bed. Store it.
In the morning, we'll destroy all of these houses
No. Don't
so we
destroy.
can make a better house.
Wait. Yeah. There. There.
The mutton is cooked, guys.
Wait,
The mutton
I'm not
is
hungry,
cooked.
okay?
I have so many carrots, okay?
Me too.
Wait. How can we get up
What?
and get down?
I'm
from here?
building stairway, okay? Just
From, wait. Ouch!
Vincent!
why?
You destroyed the house! You didn't even know that something exploded.
It's not me, okay?
My base!
Our base, not your base.
I'm just gonna get freaking sunstones. Come here. Come here, sunstones. Ready. We'll expand the base, okay?
I'm expanding it.
Not okay.
Guys, they have a way up here.
Oh no.
They can get up here
Oh
easily.
no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
So destroy it.
Oh no, 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 no.
I'll try to
No,
destroy
no.
it all.
Hey boy.
I destroyed the light here. Ah! So much pressure. Okay.
I'll just expand the base.
I'm expanding it.
My battery is low. And you guys blocked it off.
Or sorry, okay? Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Wow, I'm laggy. I'm lagging. I disconnected.
Me too.